Yangtze River Delta, one of China's most economically active regions. Zhejiang JINHUA, China's largest e-bike production base. Here, located the headquarters of JINHUA JOBO Technology Company Limited. Established in 2014, JOBO is an enterprise that specializes in the design, R&D, and manufacture of smart e-bikes, cargo e-bikes, and their fittings. With 2 major production bases covering 60,000 square meters and over 400 employees, JOBO has an annual production capacity of 300,000 e-bikes and export volume of $70 million. Over the past few decades, collaborating with over 10 internationally renowned e-bike brands, JOBO has exported its products to more than 80 countries and regions, providing strong guarantees for its customers' brand value and image. JOBO has a professional frame business department, the automatic production equipment, including laser cutting robot, CNC blanking machine, pipe bender, milling machine and lathe, T4, T6 furnace, and automatic film coating line, ensures the accuracy and strength of frame production and a monthly capacity of 25,000 frames. CNC machining center and CNC lathe shorten sample delivery time and offer a diversity of vehicle designs. JOBO's automatic dust-free painting workshop contains production lines of electrostatic powder painting and liquid painting, equipped with a first-rate full automatic surface treatment line, and is committed to the development of new environmental friendly materials and techniques. It realizes customized production such as color cutting painting, water label, and membrane-less label while meeting the needs of mass processing. In order to achieve sustainable development, JOBO invested nearly $1 million into 3 waste treatment facilities. All indicators better than the national standards, it passed the ISO 14000 certification. JOBO shoulders social responsibilities and is devoted to eco-friendliness. 3 automatic blocking production lines of Dutch mechanical hub, featuring tension release machine and steel rim straightening machine, ensure an even stress distribution on each spoke. These 3 lines operate simultaneously, greatly boosting the production efficiency. At present, JOBO has 3 complete vehicle assembly lines, capable of producing over 300,000 sets annually. Its QC team strictly controls every aspect of the production process, resulting in an online part defective rate of less than 0.1% and an offline finished vehicle qualified rate of over 99%. JOBO boasts impressive independent R&D and testing capability with a strong focus on technological innovation and with rich ODM service experience. Its R&D center is staffed by over 10 senior R&D engineers and over 20 technical engineers, enabling the launch of more than 5 new products each year and the delivery of samples within 15 days. In fact, JOBO is listed as one of the world's top 10 manufacturers of freight electric bicycles. In 2017, it was rated as a national high-tech enterprise by Science and Technology Department of Zhejiang, Zhejiang Provincial Department of Finance, Zhejiang Provincial Tax Service, State Taxation Administration, and the Provincial High-Tech Enterprise R&D Center. From 2018 to 2020, JOBO was rated as a large taxpayer, having paid over 10 million RMB. In 2021, JOBO was named the R&D Center of High-Tech Enterprise in Zhejiang. Currently, it holds 3 national invention patents, 3 software copyrights, over 10 design patents, and 29 utility model patents. JOBO's mechanical laboratory and electrical laboratory adhere to TÜV laboratory standards and are equipped with an online testing platform for comprehensive performance of e-bikes. Professional testing equipment, such as computer-controlled frame horizontal force and vertical force fatigue testing machines, front fork fatigue testing machines, frame pedal force dynamic fatigue testing machines, cold and hot impact testing machines, and repower battery testing systems, provides a strong guarantee for product quality. JOBO's quality assurance is due to not only strict testing of incoming materials, but also rigorous supply chain selection. It cooperated with many world-leading accessory manufacturers to jointly build a solid quality foundation. JOBO is certified by ISO 9001 Quality Certification System, ISO 14001 Environmental Management System, ISO 45001 Occupational Health and Safety Management System, as well as GBT 29490-2013 Intellectual Property Management System. The production and safety requirements have reached international first-class standards. It passed the safety certifications of CE, EN 15194, ISO 4210, issued by European TÜV SGS Laboratories, EEC E-Mark certification, issued by the Spanish Ministry of Transport. It also meets various factory inspection requirements, such as BSCI, SA8000, UL, to measure up to different countries' and markets' access standards. Global layout of production base. Under China's Belt and Road Initiative, to further serve customers and enhance international influence, JOBO established its Europe production base in Poland in 2019. The base has a complete vehicle assembly workshop and technical service team, and aims to provide European customers with faster product delivery and better localized services. JOBO's development is inseparable from the support of the government. In return, JOBO is committed to social welfare, helping the poor and the left-behind children in mountainous areas. JOBO advocates green travel to promote carbon neutrality. In the future, JOBO will stick to its business philosophy of specialization, focus, and research, continue to provide high-quality services, and promote the electric cycling industry.